Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science for class 12th. In earlier video student, we have understand the wireless terminologies along with its protocol like GSM, GPRS and WLL. Now we are going to understand the mobile telecommunication technology like first generation, second generation, third, fourth and fifth generation. So let's begin student. As you can see in this particular chart, the number of the generation is given here is in a comparison format. Okay, in this here is I have mentioned technology features. Here is first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation and at last fifth generation. So first of all we'll talk about its generation. I am to say development time or start time. The first generation mobile technology was developed on 1980 to 1990. Okay, it is earlier 90s time. And then after that second generation mobile phone technology is developed or start at 1990 to 2000, and third one 2000 to 2010, fourth one that is now we are going to say, and fifth one generation after 2020 or between the 2020 also. Now data rate transfer. So in earlier first generation mobile technology, the 2 KB per second information is going to be transmitted at a particular second. Okay, and then after that second generation 64 KB per second, in third generation 2 MB per second, fourth generation 1 GB per second, and fifth one more than 1 GB per second. Now we are going to understand technology. So first generation student, in first generation technology the mobile was only having the button and usable for calling services only. Second generation the digital cellular technology was introduced. It means to say in such time mobile dial can have the button or digits also as a touch screen. And third generation, here is broadband and bandwidth facility provided along with CDMA IP technology, that is code division multiplex access services is there. Okay, and IP technology, internet protocol technology also there. And then fourth generation WiMAX and LTE Wi-Fi services available for there, and fifth generation 4G plus and WWW option also. Now services. So what services provided by first generation? So here is analog voice services provided, no data services was provided. It means to say it was only used for the calling purpose only, no digital devices. I am to say data services are there. Second generation digital voice, it means to say we can say that voice message, we can say that SMS, MMS, and higher capacity of packet size data we can send. In third generation integrated high quality audio and video and data. In second generation the data was transmitted with a lower quality, but in this particular third generation mobile technology the higher quality of audio and video are supported. In fourth generation dynamic information access, that is wearable device also. You can see student, we can wear the smartwatch also. Okay, and wearable devices which comes with the Android devices also. Okay, so in fourth generation the operating system was introduced, and along with that one thing we can say that wearable devices we can use in fourth generation mobile technology. And fifth generation dynamic information access with wearable devices along with AI capacity. Student, everything will be same. Okay, but here is artificial intelligence capacity will be involved in fifth generation. Now multiplexing. So here student, multiplexing is a way by which we can transmit the signal through the mobile technology. So first of all in first generation FDMA was used, that is frequency division multiplex access. Okay, and second generation or 2G, so in 2G TDMA and CDMA both are working together, that is time division multiplex access. Okay, and code division multiplex access. Time and code are each other working and giving it better performance as compared to the first generation mobile technology. Now third generation CDMA. So as you can see Reliance Mobile, so these mobiles are allow you CDMA technology also, that is code division multiplex access. And fourth generation, in fourth generation CDMA is also used, that is code division multiplex access. And fifth generation CDMA is also used. It means to say third, fourth and fifth generation mobile technology are using same technology, that is CDMA. Okay, standard. So now we are going to understand their standard students, standard with some protocols and this one thing. So now MTS, AMTS and IMTS was a standard to use that first generation mobile technology. Second generation GSM, GPRS and Edge was technology used, okay, for data transfer and telecommunication. And third generation mobile technology used IMT 2000, SDSPA and SUSPA, okay. In fourth generation mobile technology, the single and unified standard, that is WiMAX and LTE we are using, okay. And at last, single and unified standard technology used for fifth generation mobile technology. Now we are talking, student, switching technology. In first generation, the circuit switching was used. Second generation, circuit and packet switching was used. And third generation, packet switching used. Fourth generation, all packet, okay. And fifth, all packet services. And core network, we can say that, okay. So first generation mobile technology used PSTN, second generation also PSTN, third generation packet and network, and fourth one internet technology, and fifth one also internet technology.